Welcome to our first build video in this series, Flipping to Freedom, where my goal is to transition from my day job to a full-time PC builder. I've enjoyed building PCs as a hobby for years, and now I'm focused on building my brand and pursuing my dream. I hope you join me on this journey. With that out of the way, let's get right into today's build. First up, we have a Z490 Tai Chi motherboard by ASRock. Look at this beauty. Since we'll be using a 10900K, I thought we should definitely use a 360 millimeter liquid cooler. So this one's by EVGA. We have two 16 gig kits of DDR4 3600 memory by Lexar. We have an Intel 2TB M.2 SSD, and I believe this is PCI Gen 3, but they do state they have a 5-year warranty, but I don't think Intel makes SSDs anymore. We have these BitPhoenix cable extensions in white. To pair with a 10900K, I'm thinking the RX 6800 XT, 16 gigabyte card, and this is the Phantom Gaming ASRock. And we'll be throwing it in the Height Y60, your typical fishbowl case. Of course, we have to throw some RGB fans in that case too. And to power it all, we have this Vetro, I don't know. Let me know in the comments how you say it. 1000 watt, 80 plus gold power supply. And it does say PCI Gen 5 ready, so it's got the 12-pin NVIDIA connector. It does have a 10-year warranty, so hopefully that means it's good. Well, alright, let's slap this thing together.
While the build turned out great, with fantastic benchmarks, unfortunately after a couple of weeks on the market, it garnered almost no interest. I even included a free 1440p monitor to help sweeten the deal, but there's still no takers at my $1,500 price point. This is the parts breakdown and my costs associated with them, the total being $1,111 after my state taxes added. The monitor, which I did not include, was around $150 on its own. Rather than lowering the price, I decided to take it off the market after finding a deal on an RTX 4070 Ti through the Reddit page Build a PC Sales subreddit, a refurbished unit with a warranty directly from Zotac on eBay. I figured having a 40 series card instead of the older 6800 XT would be more appealing to the less informed shoppers. The cost of the build rises by $126, bringing the new total to $1,237. And if you remember from earlier, we kind of got lucky having the 12-pin, 16-pin NVIDIA ready power supply already.
And it does say PCI Gen 5 ready, so it's got the 12-pin NVIDIA connector.
I swapped the card and double-checked multiple games for bottleneck issues. In summary, the 10900K can definitely hold its own. Let's see how she performs.
Almost there.
Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed this one, please drop a like and consider subbing to our channel for future builds and related PC content. If you would like to purchase this PC or one like it, definitely browse what we have available on our website, rotorgg.com, and don't forget to use the code FREESHIP during checkout. Buying a gaming PC can be overwhelming. At RotorGlow Games, we simplify by your target resolution. Stage 1 builds are for 1080p, Stage 2 1440p, and Stage 3 4K. Each build is unique, stress tested, and includes Wi-Fi standard. You can find us at rotorgg.com.